This is a great beginner's series of exercises for Tai Chi and Qigong that anybody can do at any age and any ability. They're very gentle exercises and they're based on Qigong and Tai Chi. What is Qigong? Qigong is an energy skill. Qi means energy and Gong means skill. So energy, skill. Okay, so the first exercise, try to imagine yourself, since these exercises are just as much mental as they are physical, is try to imagine yourself by this big, beautiful lake, okay? Try to imagine being by an ocean side or a lakeside, and the first exercise is going to be raising hands over the lake. So try to picture this beautiful lake, and what you want to do is stand nice and comfortably with your knees slightly bent. Your toes are slightly pointed outward and you're nice and relaxed. What you want to do is raise your hands up and let them down. And what you want to do is work with your breathing at the same time. So when you're raising your arms up, you're breathing in through your nose, filling all the cells in your body with energy and sinking down. And again, try to imagine that you're by this big, beautiful lake and you're filling your whole body up full of energy and just floating your hands beautifully over this beautiful, gorgeous, serene lake. So rising and falling, raising hands over the lake. And again, you want to breathe in through the nose and relax. Breathe in through the nose and relax. And you want to do this about 12 times. Breathing in through the nose and relax. Just a few more. Raising hands over the lake. Breathing in through the nose and relax. And now the next scene I want to give you is not only a beautiful lake, but picture the mountains behind the lake, okay? And this one's called Embracing the Mountain, okay? Very similar, where we're going to have a nice relaxed position, very relaxed, shoulders dropped, very, very relaxed. And we're rising our hands up and we're embracing the mountain, which is opening the arms like this. And it helps sometimes to gently close your eyes if you can. If you can't do that, that's okay. And we're gonna sink down. Now when we sink down, we're bending our knees slightly, but we're standing up nice and tall like we have a string, gently holding us up, okay? So we're rising our hands up and we're embracing the mountain. And when I say embracing the mountain, what I mean by that is not only a good deep stretch where we're opening our arms nice and wide, but we're psychologically embracing the mountain, the beautiful mountain. So you have to do this exercise mentally, like I said, as well as physically. We want to open our arms and embrace the mountain. Bring in all that beautiful mountain energy. And if you can do this by the mountains, it's even better. It's even better, where you're breathing in not just air, but you're breathing in energy and power at the same time. Again, you're going to do 12 of these as well. Rising up and embracing the mountain. When you embrace the mountain, stand up nice and tall, chest out. Nice gentle breath in and then relax. And when you're breathing out, you're letting the breath go. And what you're doing is you're relaxing your whole entire body and sinking your energy at the same time. Okay? So breathing in one last time, embrace the mountain, and then relax. Excellent. Now the next movement is called scooping the earth and parting the clouds. And this is another great exercise to do by the lake or by the mountainside, again using your imagination. And try to imagine all this beautiful energy around us, especially by a lake. Okay, by the lake you have all this beautiful earth, and what we're doing is we're intentionally using our intention, or our E as they call it, Y-I-E, intention, to go down to the earth, and we're scooping this beautiful energy from the earth up through our body. We're pulling it up through our body, breathing it in, and we're going up and crossing our hands like this, and we're parting the clouds. So again, this is a beautiful movement, beautiful mental exercise as well, where we're scooping the earth, breathing it in to our body, and parting the clouds and sinking our energy. And again, we're going to do this 12 times. So we're going to be scooping the earth, nice and relaxed. Breathe in, energy through the body. Reach up, nice big reach, and part the clouds. Now, if you're only able to go down gently, that's okay. And if you're only able to go up this far, that's okay too. But if you can get a good, nice, deep stretch, part the clouds and breathe out and sink down. I'm lowering my energy, lowering my posture, bending the knees gently, scooping, breathing it all in and parting the clouds. This part here is very relaxing. We're sinking our energy, our core. Our intention is to go down into the earth. And now our intention is to scoop the earth with beautiful energy, bring it up through our body slowly, magically. Reach up, get a good stretch, part the clouds. Pretend you're literally parting clouds here, breathing out, down. Do 2 more. We're going to scoop the earth and go up. Part the clouds. 1 more. We're going to scoop the energy, bring it up to our body, and relax our whole entire body. We're going to bring it up nice and high. We're going to relax on the way down. And we're going to go right into flying goose, flying wild goose. We're raising our hands up, and we're rising up. And we're sinking down. We're rising up, our wings go up, and we sink our energy down. We're bending our knees and sinking, sinking, sinking. So when you raise up, you want to spread your fingers like wings up, breathing in and down. Notice how I'm sinking, bending my knees, and rising up. I'm staying up nice and tall, and sinking. Relaxing the energy. And I feel the energy on the back of my hands as I rise up into the sky like a beautiful wild goose. And sinking down. Breathing in. Feel your body full of beautiful energy and sinking down. This exercise is very, very good for all ages. Great exercise. You're simultaneously working energy with breathing and movement at the same time. It's great for balance, flexibility, calmness, tranquility. It's good for your inner organs, all kinds of things. Do 2 more. Up, breathe in deep, and sink down. And 1 last one. We're going to rise up our wings, breathe in nice and deep, and relax down. The last thing we want to do is nurture our energy. So imagine we're gathering an energy ball. We're going to gather it on our abdomen, just below your belly button. You're going to sway back and forth gently and relax your whole body. We're going to take 3 deep breaths in together, okay? Deep breath in and relax. Second breath in and relax. And then the 3rd breath in, nice and deep, fill your whole body and relax. And that concludes those exercises. Rewind the tape and start over and do this every day, and you'll notice that you're going to feel a little more energetic and peaceful at the same time.
My name's Todd, Zen and spiritual practitioner for well over 40 years. My goal is to share this journey with others and help others find the best version of themselves and live an extraordinary life. Please visit toddzen.com for more. Thank you.